Hello, it's me again, just to do a video on a bit of muck spreading with Paul and his John Deere tractor. Just want to do a quick shout out to someone I like watching on another channel. I won't mention his name, the channel's name, but it's called the Ginger Warrior. I should probably put a link down below, but he makes me laugh. He's my age group, so I like watching him talking. He likes to talk over the presenter, so it's really good fun. And just in case, if you haven't subscribed already, the button's down here somewhere, or there, and be good if you could subscribe, it would help me out a lot. So as I say, I'm doing a little video this morning. Come with me on that journey, and be always good to see you. Okay, we're out in a lovely English field, walking along it at the moment. Paul's be back in a minute with another load, but I thought I'd give you some sort of idea of the fields he's doing. So let's have a walk into where he's actually going on through these trees. Spreading muck on the field. Sorry about the sun. Here we are, into the main field is spreading. It's coming back in now. Good morning, Paul. You well? How many acres this field?
22 of it.
And you'll be here all day, I suppose? Chopping the mud on the floor. I'm going to watch you going up and down for a second.
Yep.
And load up perhaps later, if that's all right with you. You're on the 6155R, I see.
Yep.
Lovely tractor. See you in a little while.
Okay.
Lucky we ain't got smelly vision really. It's got a lovely pungent smell, this. a lot of ground he's covering here. It's got a good coverage. Seems to be a good muck spreader, a right combination. I'd say it's doing a really good job, and very quickly. That's it, I think he's finished in this field, and probably one load completely finished with. We're going back to the farm. Shuttle's gone down in the back. As you say, just a bit of an outline of the field. It's a beautiful day in February. Can't believe it. Last year it was the beast from the east. We were having snow drifts and couldn't get about in cars. But it's a beautiful day now. The birds are singing. Paul's just gone off to refuel it. Unfortunately the farm was a bit wary of people filming around the farmyard, so I've got no problem with that. He wants to keep it secret, which is understandable, because as you know, in England at the moment we've got a lot of problems with machinery going missing and farms being broken into. So this is the field he's on next. He's finished that field, as you can see. He's finished that field. We're going on to this field next, and it'll be lovely to see him back. So he should be back in any second now. Okay. And he's back. He's coming down that field we've just done. I've got to say, his John Deere looks remarkably clean for a farm tractor. It keeps it well maintained. And there's just one problem with it. He caught a branch this morning, so I was not happy with a mud guard that he snapped. But hey ho, that's life, I'm afraid. There he is, he's on his way back. Where's he going to start? Full load. There we go. Penstock doors opening up. Always best to start in the middle. Right up and personal. I just can't believe how we're doing this work in February. Normally the fields are muddy, even a four-wheel drive tractor sinks in, causes more damage than it's worth. Here we are, dry field, and a gorgeous day. He certainly knows how to drive a tractor. Once again, if you subscribe, I'll get a few more subscribers. I'll entertain our drone, and you'll probably see a better shots of all this. But amount with only a few subscribers, it makes no sense. But hopefully we're catching basically what he's doing. It's a fantastic tractor he's got there, that John Deere. A lot of money. There she goes again. Looks like we're going for 4 runs. No. Oh, maybe. Yes, 4 runs. So obviously getting 4 runs to a tractor load. Going on sparingly now. I think that's it. Thank you, Paul. That was excellent. Is this sort of thing you do on a regular basis?
Yeah, usually in the spring. It's normally not this dry.
I was saying that it's so dry. And
bad,
you're not normally on the field.
Yeah.
Just curiosity, what is the name of your contracting company?
PGE Farm Services.
Okay, and you work around the Surrey area?
Yeah, Surrey and Sussex.
Yeah, so I was admiring you how clean your tractor was.
Fresh off the edge gutter yesterday.
And moaning that you've damaged your bumper.
Yeah.
So
road tree.
Road tree. But as I say, thanks ever so much. I'm sure we'll catch up again.
Yeah.
And doing many jobs.
Yeah.
As you know, I'm into vintage tractors, but at the moment everyone's got them tucked away. so not until the springtime.
Yep.
But I've got a ploughing match coming up in a month's time, so I should be doing that with the viewers. So thanks again,
Yep. No
and see you in the future. Well, there you go, all finished for me. Good bit of muck spreading, so pretty we ain't got smelly vision. A lovely pungent smell. I presume in the days gone by on mixed farms they used to let the cattle, the sheep, everything do this, but now we're down to machinery and it's contracted out. So I hope you enjoyed it. Come again soon. Always good to see you, and like and subscribe. There'll be 2 videos up the top and a subscribe button down there. I try and do 2 to 3 videos a week, especially at the moment. And once again, a big shout out to the Ginger Warrior. He makes me laugh, and he overtalks the presenter of his channel. I should put a link into a video of his down the bottom, and come along and see it. Okay, thanks again. Cheerio.